Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to our Surds series. In today's lesson, we are going to learn one of the most important topics in Surds, rationalizing the denominator using a conjugate. If you have already learned how to rationalize a denominator containing a single surd, this lesson is the next step. At first glance, these questions may appear complicated. However, once you understand the method, they become much easier to solve. So let's begin. Suppose we have the fraction 1 over 2 plus under root 3. Notice that the denominator contains 2 terms. In situation like this, multiply by under root 3 is not enough. Instead, we use something called the conjugate. A conjugate is formed by changing the sign between the 2 terms. For example, the conjugate of 2 plus 3 is 2 minus 3. Likewise, the conjugate of 2 minus under root 3 is 2 plus under root 3. Now let's solve the question. To rationalize the denominator, multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate. This gives. Now let's simplify the denominator. Remember the identity a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So this is the identity that is used here in the denominator. So now this becomes this. So now 2 plus under root 3 into 2 minus under root 3 becomes. So now the denominator becomes 2 square minus under root 3 whole square, which is 4 minus 3. Now 2 square is 4 and this square is cancelled with the under root, so this will become 3. Now 4 minus 3 is, and that equals 1. This whole equals 1. So now this becomes 1 into. So now this becomes, only the numerator will be left because the denominator has 1. So the numerator remains. Now 1 into this will remain the same. The numerator remains 2 minus under root 3. Therefore our final answer is 2 minus under root 3. Let's solve another example. Simplify 3 over 5 minus under root 2. Conjugate of 5 minus under root 2 is 5 plus 2. So we will multiply both the numerator and denominator with 5 plus 2. Under root 2, sorry. The numerator becomes 3 into 5 plus under root 2 over 5 minus under root 2 into 5 plus under root 2. Now the denominator will become 5 whole square minus under root 2 whole square by using the identity. Now simplify the denominator. This will become 5 square is 25 and minus this will be 2. This minus will be and this this square will be cancelled with the under root. So now the denominator will become 25 minus 2 is 23. So this will become, so therefore the final answer is 3. So this will be our final answer. 3 into 5 plus under root 2 over 23. Now before we finish, let's quickly review today's lesson. Whenever the denominator contains 2 terms, never multiply by the denominator itself. Instead multiply by its conjugate. Doing this removes the surd from the denominator and produces a rational denominator. This technique appears regularly in Cambridge O-level and IGCSE examinations. So make sure you practice it until you feel confident. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson and found it helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. In the next lesson, we'll solve some exam style questions on surds to help you prepare for your examinations. I'll see you in the next video.